Welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Please, excuse my voice. Anywho, I'm gonna get into this wig. The name of it is Moneymaker. And it is by Sensational. Isn't she lovely? Okay, I probably shouldn't try to sing. That's half the reason I ain't got no voice right now. Doing too much. I got it in a 1B. It's relatively affordable. It's only 30 bucks. And I'm gonna actually follow a tutorial that I saw on putting this on to see if I can do the same thing that has been done. Because you know, YouTube have you thinking that you can do some amazing things. You know, you've graduated from YouTube University and realized that, hey, you didn't quite get the degree. So I'm gonna see if I can get the degree and putting this wig on. Okay. It comes in a bunch of other colors too if you're interested in those. 99J, F1B30, F1BBG Burgundy, and an F430 as well. I got it natural because the wig does look natural. As you can see from the stock card, it is a 3B4C. So hey, natural hair. And if you know me, you know I like natural feeling hair, like hair that feels like my hair. Why not, right? So holding it up, ooh, I'm a little chocolate, so clearly this is not my skin tone. But like I said, on YouTube University, they make you feel like you can make magic happen. So I got some tools of the trade. You know, I went to school. So in school they said it's tinted spray. So I got some tinted spray by Ebin, and I believe it's my color. We're gonna try it and we're gonna see. I do have a pair of good old goody shears. I do have my comb and brush for my edges. I do have a Edge Tamer. This I typically use. I already had this, so no problem. I also have my powder foundation just in case. I'm sorry, looking down at the computer screen, but my powder foundation just in case this tint doesn't quite marry up to the skin color. Okay. And my trusty dusty tools will be some brushes to apply all that with, right? Okay. So at first glance, there is no lace all the way through it. I'm here for it. I like it because I love the texture of this wig. I'll say it one time. I love the texture of this wig. But right, I wanted you to see everything. Look, I love a center part, right? So this is a center part, and I'm gonna work this center part as I have seen on YouTube University. But the wig is super light. Like it is, I feel like I still got my dang on scarf on my head. Like it's light. I love it. And it's pretty. Like, even though it's curly as all get out, it is pretty. Now I knew this color wasn't gonna match me, and that's perfectly fine. No problem. We're gonna take care of that, right? Right. Cause what I learned, you gonna learn. Right? Right. But I'm definitely here for it. Look at that. What y'all think? It does have adjustable straps in the back and a comb in the back. Yeah. So let's get into cutting the lace and working on this here. Right. That's what I got when I cut. So I don't know if I should be spraying some more of this stuff. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spray it on this brush because I sprayed some of this. Got to happy. Oh yeah, that was on the list too. So I'm going to spray some of this on this because last time it got a little messy. And then I'm going to pat it. What y'all think? I think it's still too light for me. Maybe that's the problem. And it's not my makeup shade, so you know me. Get thee away from me, Satan. I am going to use my makeup shade because this wig is too cute for me not to be flossing. And I hope I didn't mess it up by putting that there. But we'll see. Maybe my brush is too big too. It's okay, I gotta start somewhere. Yeah. Gotta start somewhere. And this is the where. That is the where. That was definitely the where. And then I'm gonna lay it down accordingly. I will lay it down so that I'll get that mushed in melted look accordingly. Right. Don't worry. So I got these little black strips. That I was told to get by the YouTube University. Whatever, because my school come with all kind of instructions and directions, and maybe on point. So you can't say you don't know how, or you don't have the tools to do it. Now you can't say you don't know how, but you will get the tools. And I'm just gonna tie this right here, as I have so viciously watched tape after tape like a football player. And I'm gonna leave that right there. And then I'm gonna come back with this beautiful hair. Drop, lock, ready to rock, rock, ready to cut. Cause this how I'm feeling. But yeah, we're back. Well, after my YouTube University class, this is what I came up with. I like it. Hey, I will wear it because 1, I love this hair. 2, I love this hair. 3, I love this hair. I love the center part. It looks really, really natural. I can't get over how cute it actually looks. Like, man, I'm just lusting after the hair itself. If you watched my Jamaican bounce video, which if you haven't, I'll link it up top. This hair runs along that same line of that Jamaican bounce hair. And for me, which, I mean, it's not the same exact hair pattern, but it's big, it's curly, it's natural looking, it's cute, very low maintenance. And by this being a wig, I can pull it off, put it on, I can, hey, out the door, baby, when it's time to go, because some states are opening back up, so it's gonna be time to go for some of y'all. Some of the places, y'all still gonna sit down, so sit down. But yeah, so I like it. Like I said, shout out to Sensational for the cute wig. I know I'm probably late on my look, but better late than never. I still look cute with it though. Okay, babe, so this ended up being my final look. And I just want to say, yes, like I said before, she cute though. Late, but cute. And if you stuck around this long, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and of course hit the bell so you know when I post my next few videos, because I promise those be definitely something you will be interested in. Okay? And thank you for coming to my channel. And let me know what you would like to see down below in the comments. Share your thoughts. I do read the comments, and I appreciate everyone for leaving a comment. Let me know what they think, what they feel, what they like, what they don't like. Also, what you want to see on the channel. All right. Bye.
Thank you.